Comsof Fiber Designer is a high-level design tool which automates the production of a generalized plan in a given area for the rollout of a particular level of service. The user provides a framework with which to interpret data describing ground conditions, and the software generates a design. This design comprises GIS files describing cable and duct paths and specifications, individual fiber service routes, and equipment and structure locations. Comsof Fiber accomplishes this by taking in GIS data prepared by the user, which informs the software on existing assets which may be reused, physical geography, for example, railways, rivers, and roads, and customers to be served. From this, paths for potential construction may be inferred. The user then provides what we refer to as rules, instructions that tell Comsof Fiber Designer what equipment specifications are available, their constraints, for example, a maximum of 48 splices in a closure or only a 96 count cable available for aerial deployment, how many cables should be routed, costs for equipment and actions, and other parameters which describe in general terms the architecture of the network they want designed. Together, this provides the necessary foundation on which Comsof Fiber will build your design. Armed with these, Designer can begin to calculate the network. A calculation describes the method in which the software processes the information provided and produces a network plan. It is divided up into a hierarchy of semi-independent layers, each one representing a specific type of equipment in the network architecture, as defined in the rules. Each is designed in turn, examining the input data in the context of the applicable rule specifications, starting with that closest to the customer, then the next layer up, which provides the service to the equipment facing the customer, and so on to the central serving point of the design. At that point, the user will examine the design produced and may choose to alter input data, the rules, or final design elements in the context of what was produced and rerun the calculation process to see their effects. This can be repeated as many times as required. When the user is satisfied, the design is finished.